Hey guys, how's it going? Alright, there's the beast. Gonna do a bit of a renovation over the next 6 months, and I may as well make videos out of it, see how we go. Alright, let's go and have a look. It's a 1985 Viscount, 15 foot pop top. Go and have a look inside. This needs a bit of TLC. I've had it for 3 years. Been away in it a few times. Super comfy. Just a few little things that I obviously want to paint it. Get rid of all this wood grain and all the brown. Outdated. That's all. Yeah, this is things that I've got to get fixed. Bit of rotting up here, falling apart, but it's all got to get fixed. Check out the flooring. I might put floating flooring, fix all these benches up, paint it, do all the 12 volt again. Alright, I'll see you in the next video when I've started stripping it. Ciao. It's probably what, 20 minutes of ripping in. But I think I'm just going to replace this section to start with. Take this range hood out, see how hard it is to take out. I don't want to have to replace all this, so then I can put a full storage section there. I don't know, we'll see what happens. Play it by ear. Alright, till the next one, peace out.
Yeah.
The stuff will be in. And come back in a few days and see what else I can do. I just propped that roof up. Just another just a little hint. Saves it pooling up there, just to let it run off for a bit. Because I got it leveled out on the floor, so just to let the water run off until it doesn't leak much, but I want to get it waterproofed. So all right, ciao.
Yeah.